Citizen Open House, 12th to 14th of October. James, what can we expect to see?
Well, you'll be able to see a wide variety of machines, like the one you see before you, L12, 16mm parts, 15,000 RPM spindles, LFE. Small,
Fantastic.
compact, fast.
LFE, what does that mean to people who don't know?
LFE, low frequency vibration. It's all about keeping that door closed, breaking that swarf.
Okay, so no more birds nesting, and it's celebrating an anniversary?
Yeah, 5 years. 5 years in the UK.
Okay, now next one, the L20, I can work out it's 20mm bar,
Yep.
ATC?
Yeah, a bit special this one. It has a 12-station carousel, auto tool changer in the back, 4B axis. Make any part you want.
Okay, so sister tooling if you've got a long-running
Sister
component.
tooling, you're making complex parts, you'll have the right amount of tools.
Okay, now this machine, you don't see many of these around, the GN 4200. What's going on with this?
Yeah, it's a small, compact, auto-loaded machine, so it has a gantry loader, a wing-type spindle, very stable, sub-micron accuracy.
Sub-micron?
Sub-micron.
Fantastic. Okay, now back to sliding head technology, your L32, one of your favourites, I understand.
It is one of my favourites, yeah, and going up in size, up to 38mm capacity. Spec it anywhere you want. You can have a manual B-axis, programmable B-axis. This one has a long parts catcher and a robot unloader on it, which is all stock items.
Giving that automation and keeping those spindles turning and the door closed.
Exactly.
Okay, now we're at the Solution Centre in Bushy, so it'd be great to briefly showcase some of the solutions you have provided. So this is unusual. What's going on here? You've got a green screen.
Yeah, green screen, sunglasses, because it's got a laser fitted to it. So
Okay.
it's a 1500 watt laser, continuous or pulse, 70 micron as standard, so 35 micron radius of beam.
Okay, and what's the difference between a pulse and obviously continuous? It's all on all the time. So what?
Oh, I mean, it's always application dependent. Pulse, you're just going to reduce the heat going into the part.
Okay, now another great solution you provided, and essentially anybody who has an application, get in contact with your team here. But this is a Miano Bna 42SY, but it's geared up for automation. So what have you done with this component? Well, this machine, sorry.
Yeah, so this BNA, I mean, you can fit a gantry to it, you can fit a robot system, and it's all catered for with a hatch on the roof. So yeah, very versatile.
James, in a nutshell then, standard Miano, but it's been modified to suit an application. So there you have it. Get yourself registered for the open house, 12th to 14th of October. And where's it being held?
Solution Centre in Bushy.